Let's jump back to our coffee shop and we're going to work on adding one of those molding profiles to our custom unit that we've created. So this will work differently. It's not a wall, but we can still use the same concept to add it. So to start, let's look at our crop region view. If you'll remember, we can adjust this. Let's see, our section box. There we go. All right, so let's adjust this in to kind of, there we go. I adjusted that in to get rid of one of our walls. It makes it much easier to work in. So again, that's under your profile and your crop region view. Kind of when you click on it, that box, you can adjust it. And then I can turn that back off. My section box here. Oops. So I need to keep it on while I'm making these changes. It's been a minute since I've worked with this. So section box under properties to kind of get in here closer. And then again, I'm going to push down shift and hold in the wheel on my mouse and rotate it so I have a better view. So for this, we're going to go back to component, model in place, and we're going to choose Casework, and we're going to call this shelf crown trim. Hit OK. All right, so we're going to use the sweep tool for this. So works similarly to the wall sweep, but is more of a standalone. We're going to choose pick path. This is the easiest way to do it because we're just going to click on each line where we want that trim to run. You'll notice that when I click the first one, it adds in this reference axes. So this lets me know when I place an item, so if I'm placing one of my custom trim items, that I want it to go up and over to work the correct way and to wrap around it. So once I've found my path, I'm going to go ahead and finish edit mode with the green check. I'm now going to come over to profile. You are going to start with either this by sketch, and this is where you can custom create one in here. I will tell you with this. So if you have the by sketch and you choose to draw it here, you can go to edit profile. It's going to open your draw tools. You'll zoom in and you can draw one on. However, you can see that these are very thick lines, so it makes it difficult to kind of draw these more detailed items here. The better way, if you truly wanted to draw something custom, would to be create a family and draw in that view. Okay, so we're going to exit out of it. And choose something different. So under here, you'll see there are a few options, not anything that I want. So I'm going to come to load profile. From here, we can load any of the profile families that are either in Revit, or you can go to where you've saved your custom options and bring those in. The Revit ones are going to automatically place where they need to. You may need to mirror or flip some of the custom ones. You can bring it in. So we're going to choose Crown 4. Hit open. It doesn't look like it's done anything. However, now when I come over to my drop-down menu, I have that crown as an option. I'll click it. It shows which one it is. As I zoom in, you can see the Revit ones, they automatically place where I need to. I'm going to again choose the green check to finish edit mode. It'll wrap it around. I can now at this point in the properties choose which material I want. I think this one had a paint. Yep. So I can choose the paint for it, or I could choose a different contrasting material. And then again, we're going to finish the model. So now it's place set around it. You can do the same thing at the base or along any of the edges as you go through it.